Hello everyone.
Hello.
Good morning. I hope you had a great Monday yesterday, obviously. I really hope that you're having a great Tuesday because the week is just beginning. And yeah, we need to get some work done. So this should be fun, right? Oh, okay, I am opening a file, an Affinity Photo file, because I don't use Photoshop anymore. Where is it? There, let me get in here. Okay, this is... Where is it? There you go. Here you are. Cool. Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to this streaming, which I have no idea which number it is, but I do know that we are very close to the stream number 20. Very, very close. Dangerously close. And that is why, well, that's no reason to do anything special, to be honest. I'm just trying to feel in the silence. Okay, the reason I'm bringing up the board is because I really need to. I don't know what am I doing today. Okay, so that's for starters. Yesterday I finished. Let me show you. I don't remember. Yeah, maybe if I open DaVinci. A subscriber reminded me about Toon City, which was a series of Cartoon Network shorts about cartoons that were in the same city, right? Like Dexter's Lab, Powerpuff Girls, Johnny Bravo, all of them, right? And yeah, that was really fun to look at. And he was telling me if it was possible to actually do that kind of thing, like to take a character from a cartoon and put it like in real life footage. And yeah, the answer is yes. You can always do absolutely anything you want. You just gotta know how. So what I did was some rotoscoping for this shot, and I really liked the way it went. The roto was a little bit difficult because even if it seems like all the movements from this character are like very simple, they kinda are simple, but at the same time they are like very unpredictable, and that is kind of difficult. I mean, do you see that hand was not that difficult, but when you transform this arm into this, which is barely visible, you have like a straight line of an arm, a straight rectangle, and then you have this. And yeah, I mean, this arm was not the most challenging thing. The hands were really tough for me. They look very simple, but every single time they move, it is a totally different position. So sometimes it gets a little bit complicated to use the exact same mask to do the roto. But yeah, if you have curious about what kind of software did I use Silhouette, because Silhouette, in my opinion, is just the best software to make some rotoscope done. That's... and here it is. So you can see here a lot of keyframing, a lot of masks. These are all of my masks. I made 2 different masks for the right hand. Oh, actually 3, as you can see, because of the movement, because it is like very unpredictable and it changes like a lot. That is why I have like 3 different masks for the same hand. And it was also true with the left hand. I used two different masks for that. So yeah, this is the roto, this is the alpha. I just love seeing the alpha. The only thing that I was hoping was how to change the color of the inside of the mask. That is something that I don't know how to do. And yeah, I mean, it's not necessary. I know that I can change all the masks at the same time from here with the alpha overlay color, right? But the thing is that what if I want to change, you see? But what if I want to change every single mask like differently? That is the thing that I don't know how to do. But yeah, there is no need. It is just to show the roto work, actually. Okay, so there we have that work. So that was done during the past, I think 2-3 days from. I do not remember when I started this. It may have been on Thursday or Friday. I do not remember, to be honest. But anyway, this was done. I liked it. I have different ideas. For today, one of my ideas is to start working on the Fight Club. What's the name in English? In Spanish, it's like a parody. I don't know. I think it's the same kind of name. A parody. Fight Club. Yeah, like to do a tribute, but which would be kind of fun. More in the comedic side of entertainment. My idea is to have the scene, which let me look for it. Give me just a second. The moment where they are saying the 8 rules of Fight Club. Yeah, this one. Okay. So my idea is to have this scene from Fight Club when he's saying the 8 rules of Fight Club and put myself inside somewhere here the right way, trying to put it in the right way, like with accurate lighting, with accurate camera angles, the accurate color correction. I mean, it will be not easy, like at all. As you can see, all the lighting comes from the top because it is just a basement, but it obviously has some field lights, some very, very subtle feel, or maybe they don't even have it, and I don't remember if they used film. I mean, it's David Fincher, so I think not. Yeah, David Fincher likes to shoot like in more resolution than the deliverable, so maybe they didn't use film. But yeah, I would like to do this, the first 60 seconds of this scene. So I would have to do absolutely everything, from acting, writing, directing, all the shooting, which is fun. I actually like that, but I'm not sure if this is the project that I want to do right now. I also have the idea of practicing some matte painting. So the thing about matte painting is that you can do it either in a single shot, like in a stabilized, or no, a shot with no movement, which is filmed on a tripod, and doing it so would be a little bit easier. Yeah, it would have to be with a tripod shot. like with no movement at all. So it would be easier for me because I am such a beginner with matte painting. So I would need to do it as simple as possible. And the thing about this matte painting is that I would like to introduce some 3D things. I don't know what exactly, but I would like to do it. Maybe use a little bit of affinity. To do part of the job, and the final comp would be done in Fusion, basically. What else? What else could I do? I mean, the things that I want to develop are stuff like compositing, right? Some roto work. I am not fearful of roto work. Everything that has to do like with VFX, right? That is what I want to practice. In terms of software, I want to use Fusion. I would love to use Flame, but we're still not in that stage. I'll have to wait a little bit. Okay, and what else could we do? Okay, maybe we should do the matte painting. I'm not sure if I have another idea right now. Okay, before starting, let's take a dive into the CNET Instagram just to see if there is a little bit news about tech. I will need to go in here and search for, what's the name? CNET. Okay. I mean, yeah, I think I saw most of this. I didn't see this too. What is this about? Bring this self-flying camera with you anywhere to get that aerial shot you're looking for. Okay, of course it is a drone. I think I already saw this, like, way before. Like, maybe even a year before. Maybe I just watched like the prototype or something like that. The cool thing about this drone is that it is obviously very light. I think it flies on its own. And you can use it, yeah, to use it as a selfie drone. Yeah, as you can see, it is tracking this person. So I think that the tracking is like good enough. I don't know how they start flying it, but as you can see, she doesn't even need like any kind of controller. This is just automatically done. And I think that, for example, for people that do like mountain biking, may be interesting. Although, yeah, you wouldn't be like sure if it is still following you or if it has already failed. Okay, the Galaxy S24, that doesn't excite me that much, to be fair. A new cell phone. There are new cell phones every day, almost. The Apple Vision, it excites me. And I am a little bit underwhelmed that neither Netflix or YouTube are going to make an actual app for the device. I think that I understand why. I mean, it is development, it is money, etc. But I think that one of the most valuable experiences that you could have right now with this kind of devices is the fact to experience a movie, a TV series, or even a YouTube video with this kind of technology, because the immersion is like 100%. And I would think that they would actually do an app. I don't care about Spotify. Like, come on. I mean, you have you already have some headphones, so I don't think that's such a big deal. But with these two, I think those are important. And what they said was that you would have to use an internet browser inside the device So you could actually get into youtube.com or netflix.com, so you can log in and watch your movies. I mean, you can still use those services, of course, but it wouldn't be through a dedicated app. I don't know why, but they don't have it yet. I do think that they will eventually develop an app for the Apple Vision, but for now, they're not. And that's cool. They can do whatever they want, right? Let's see, X, Twitter. Yeah, we'll need to change my account. Give me a second. Sometimes Black Magic Design. Where are you, Black Magic? Here you go. I don't know why I have this obsession to try to see if there are some new Black Magic news. They're not. I mean, I have been looking for Black Magic Design news for the past 10 days. Yeah, more than 10 days. And there just aren't. I mean, they are like a vault. They never disclose anything until they have already made like an announcement. They don't tease anything. So that's the way they go. And that's okay. Let's go to blackmagicdesign.com because there are also some interesting things in the forums sometimes. Forum. Active topics. Can you make a DCP in Resolve? I mean, the answer is yes, but I'm not sure about the quality control. I was wondering if I can make a DCP with just using DaVinci Resolve. If so, can you give me a step-by-step? Thank you very much. Have a look at the section starting on page 3920 of the reference manual of the version 18.1. Delivering a DCP and IMF, it's not something that can be explained in a forum post. I agree, and yeah, you can do it. To be fair, I have never exported a DCP to actually have it like in a theater. So even if you can actually export it, I think that you still have to make some kind of work after, but I'm not sure what. I should ask someone about this. DCPs. Yeah, the manual of Resolve, of course. Look for DCP-O-Matic and read all their docs. DCP generator is not a simple task. Generation. There are specialists out there making their living on it for good reasons. Yeah, that's the thing that I know, that it is like a very specialized thing because it is a very technical thing. It is not creative like at all. And the good and bad thing about this is that there are like several steps and you have to, how can I say it? You have to actually take in account some sort of rules and standards and to be technically accurate. And that's why creating a DCP is not as simple as just doing it for like a YouTube video, right? The actual process of assembling a working DCP from files isn't all that complicated these days, thanks to tools like Resolve and DCP-O-Matic. That said, making the content look and sound good in a theater is a different matter. Okay, so that's the thing about, yeah, of course, you can create a DCP. It's like everybody can actually upload a video to YouTube. That's great. But the thing is, how could you make like a great content? Not talking about creative stuff. I mean, that's a whole other thing. But just talking about the technicalities. I mean, good exposure, good audio levels, that kind of stuff. Have you ever heard of YouTube? There are like a list of those tutorials in there. I mean, come on. Yeah, I mean, that's a fair question, but the guy is actually asking. Oh yeah, he asked for a step-by-step. If you are asking for a step-by-step in a forum, that's kind of tough. Yeah, I understand. I tried YouTube and it didn't yield satisfactory results, otherwise why would I be here? Come on. Okay, that was just aggressive. Better than YouTube, the manual from DCP-O-Matic. Is this for a festival? Just about every festival can play MP4s, some even ProRes. Yeah, I do like delivering ProRes, that's better. Christie projectors use a Geffen scaler with inputs for Blu-ray, USB and computers. I saw a high-rate MP4 at the Warner Theater, wow, in San Pedro. And it looked great, better than my 70-inch Samsung with Netflix, which is what, only 2.4 megabits. So there are other options. Yeah, that's some wisdom over here. I really like this. I think that the DCP is not that worth it if you can actually deliver a ProRes. I mean, there's no need in a digital era to use DCPs. The thing about DCPs is that you can actually lock them so they don't so they play at a specific time in some specific places. But for festivals, yeah, a ProRes. Like, come on. Okay. Wow, this is like a huge post. This person got really hooked with the conversation. Perfect unencrypted, yeah, unencrypted DCPs. It's actually very simple to do it. In the output, go to DCP, Kakadu, blah blah blah, give a name, blah blah blah, click OK, blah blah blah. This is step by step actually. Now copy the name. What is happening here? Yeah. If your film is in stereo, go to Edit tab and change Track tab to 5.1. 5.1. That will do. Then comes date. IOP is interrupt. Only 24 frames per second. All servers will accept it. Use MPT SEMPTY if your film is 25, but mind it, only new servers can play them. Oh, okay. From the file name bus and paste in your final name in the delivery tab. Render and get the DCP ready. Yeah, that is a good thing to do, to bring back the DCP into the timeline. These days you do not need to package the hard drive in Linux. Almost all servers will take Windows Drive, but please don't format your drive in Mac. That's a strict no. Okay, interesting. Now, if you want to deliver an encrypted DCP, you can do it from Resolve. You have to encrypt via DCP-O-Matic, but rendering out a DCP is much faster in DaVinci. This is a cool person. This is a really cool person, Krishna Pada. What a great answer they delivered. That's amazing. From 2016. They actually managed to tell absolutely every single step and some kind of advice about it. So that's amazing. Has anyone made a DCP in Resolve with its native encoder and have a tonal mapping and color line up exactly? Kakadu multiple times. Okay, interesting. That's a cool talk about DCPs. I think they actually answered some of my questions. The thing about the hard drive is like a really cool advice to deliver it even with Windows formatting, but not in a Mac. And some bugs, I don't care. STL, jumping out of text fields as I'm writing. I don't think that this is a problem from Resolve. Maybe that's some user error. Export is darker, so some color management. Okay, so not that many kind of interesting stuff to talk about DaVinci. What are we hearing? This is, yeah, some country. Okay, maybe let's get some cinematic mood. What about this? Okay, so we will have to get into ArtGrid. So we gotta get working today. We need take a shot on which we can actually do a matte painting. I think that at some point someone talked about like some city destruction. That could be interesting. Although I'm not sure how to do it, to be honest. I will just try to use some assets and make the best out of it. I would like this aerial shot is interesting. We could do like trying to make a hole in the floor. Would that be doable? Oh my god, I don't know. I want this to be as simple as possible. Oh, what is this? Is this... Is this 3D? Yeah, it's 3D. For one moment I thought that it was like that this was like AI or something like that, but no, I mean it is consistent. It looks great. This is a really cool shot. A really cool shot. Lo-fi summer, city summer vibes. Yeah, this looks amazing. But no, we need something else for matte painting. Okay, let's try to find some inspiration first, because I really have no idea what to do. Matte painting on Star Wars. Let's take a look into this. Oh my god, the copyright is going to be crazy today. Okay, I don't care. Let's hope for the best. Okay, so where are the mattes? I mean, okay. Yeah, of course. This is like a matte painting for set extension, right? So you have like the part where the actors actually interact, and then you have a blank space where you actually paint. Yeah, these ones are cool, but I need another kind of references. What is matte painting? Draw and paint realistic portraits. Digital matte painting. Let's take a look into this one. This looks interesting. Oh my god. Oh wow. Okay. This looks really cool. I think I like this technique. They are taking like many different kind of assets, put it like in a 3D comp, and it looks amazing. Okay, he first set this. Okay. Oh my god. Wow. This looks really cool. Let's make something like this. But okay, so they first take like an ocean. Let's start putting some stuff in there. Yeah, the amount of layers for this thing is amazing. Okay. Oh, the birds. I mean, the only thing that gives it out is the part of the water, but I mean, come on. Okay. 3D blocking in Maya. Okay. This was fast. Okay. I do like these kind of things. I have never done that. Never. Not like this. I am afraid of doing it wrong or doing it like not in a cool way, to be honest. But yeah, maybe that's why we should try. This looks cool. So, what is happening in the mind of this creator? Does he actually have already the idea and then starts just creating it? Or is he just trying to... Oh my god, this looks amazing. Okay, let's start with Affinity. I will have to make a new comp. 1920 by 1080 will be... No, let's make 1340 by 2160. So it is a little bit high res. Okay, cool. So we really need a place to grab all of these images. Maybe we could take them from ArtGrid. Let's try to make a city. I like a city, but with mountains on the foreground. So first I will search for mountains. Okay, cool. I want like really, really far away mountains. Okay, this looks cool. I will have to like make some interesting cuts. Okay. I mean, we can combine some of this with some 3D models, like for example for trees. Maybe even use Unreal. Could we make this in Unreal? Or because the render is much better there. Or should we use Blender? Can you import a PSD file into Unreal? Oh my god, 2014. Texture, this is for texture. (2016). I mean, when I say 2016, I think, yeah, like a couple of years ago. Dude, 2016 was 8 years ago. What's going on? Okay. This looks amazing. Yeah, I will need some snowy mountains on the very back. I will use this. Maybe this, I don't know. Some of this. I will try to make the fog and mist like in the late part of the process. Like, for example, when he or she... Let me take a look. Yeah, here. Yeah, it is like cut out. But still, I mean, why did they actually use like the first layer? Oh yes, but it is just like a glimpse of the sky. Just this part, right? And about the mist, these mountains are already... Yeah. I mean, I know that you can kind of do it in Photoshop with AI, but that's not my goal right now. Or should I use it? Maybe I should. Oh, I do not have Photoshop anymore, so forget about that. Man, this looks cool. And in here looks like really easy. I mean, it is not. Like, not at all. But why? I really love the look. What about the color? Is the color already... Well, here it is not matched. What is going on in here? Oh, then they put this gigantic thing in there. Okay. Oh, they start put the mist in there. Looks so well done. I feel overwhelmed. How should I start? Maybe just put... I think I like this one. I will need like a very panoramic shot for the sky. My sky, I want it to be what if I put sky in here? Yeah, that looks cool. I love this one. This looks cool, but yeah, this time lapse is amazing. I like this one too. Those rays look amazing too. Oh, yeah, I think this one is the winner. Okay, let's try to put this one. Let's go to the checkout. Footage. HQ. For now, I think I'm gonna stick with HD. This is our first practice. There's no need to stress out our computer. Let me change the folder for these downloads. Live. Sorry. This is, wow, number 19. Cool. These are my downloads. A simple downloads folder. And yeah, let's download. What if I use 4K? Oh, that's cool. I thought that it was going to take like a while to load, but it's cool. Oh, this is 6K. Okay, let's try this one. 4K, cool. Done. Let's go inside DaVinci, create another project. This will be the one about matte painting. Let's import all of this, change the frame rate, of course. I need to change the resolution. Opa, cool. 30. Are all these 30? Really? This 25, 30, 25. Yeah, I prefer 25. Cool. Save. Thank you. And this is going to be... Okay, let me get all of this into a single timeline. I just need to export a single frame from each one of these. This looks really cool. But this has to be like way back in the compositing. Oh yeah, this is cool. Cool. Which part? I think the beginning. I like the beginning. And this looks just amazing. Okay, cool. So what we're going to do is take this steel, grab it, grab this other steel, this one. Let's grab. Yeah, I don't need this grass, so this is great. And the first frame is better for me. Cool. Let's take this, export. Pictures. No, I need this in here. 19. This will be my assets, picture assets. Let's say assets. Mountain. Cool. Let's go into Affinity and import those assets. I don't need a DRX. Thank you very much. Yeah, cool. So this is where the magic is going to happen, hopefully. Let's first put our first image, which will be this one, our sky. So this matte painting should have a really nice sky. What's happening here? Oh, okay. Okay, so I will do this. I don't need to. Okay, maybe right in here. I like this sky. So what I'm figuring out is, okay, maybe we should make like a little sketch about our scene. So what I want to do is okay, cool. Okay, what I want to do is yeah, have some sky in here. Well, let's say that this is the sky. Okay, I want like a city landscape. Okay, so of course we need buildings. I think that we will need buildings like in the very first plane of our shot. Okay, this is like a building, another building, and so many buildings like right in here, right? Like all of these are buildings. Okay, so the camera can zoom in. Well, not zoom in, it's more like a dolly in and get past this. My movement will be given by this color. So my camera is going to get from this to maybe this right in here with a dolly in. Okay. So in order to do exactly that, I also need my mountains. My mountains will go like right here. These are mountains. And yeah, I mean, this is like these are like 4 different planes. The one of the very first buildings, then the ones where we are going to end our shot, then the mountains, and at the end the sky. Okay, so that is like our reference. With that in mind, here's our sky, which is perfect. I will just leave that as it is. Maybe I will even... Now, I was thinking about deleting the mountains, but there's no need to do that. I will need this mountain, so I will just cut. How can I... what would be the best way to cut this? Do I have like a... I have a lasso, but this is like very sensitive, right? Yeah, no, this is not cool. I mean, not for me. Do I have like a pen? Letter P? Yeah, I have a pencil, cool. So I could just get in here. Okay, what about the magic wand? How does the magic wand work here in... Okay. What if I want to erase, not select? Is there another way to select? What is this? Selection brush. Okay, let's delete this. Activate this. Okay, this is better. Cool, I like it. I will need all of this. All of this. I don't know if Affinity Photo has like a automatic selection tool. I really don't know. I think they don't. But let's try this one. Okay. Let's make zoom in. Yeah, here. Here. Cool. Cool. I need less pixels. What about 11? Yeah, great. Cool. It was a great idea to actually take the larger resolution footage. Yeah, it's cool. I do not need this, but I'm not sure. I think that's good enough. I will... Should I make a mask or straight up delete? Yeah, I will delete. What did I do? What am I doing? Oh, it's here. What? No. What? Why? I mean, yeah, I don't understand what's happening, but I will just do it like the simple way, just doing this. Cool. And now I will need to delete this. Cool. And now I will even go ahead and delete this, just to make sure that none of this is showing up. Cool. So we have our mountains. That's cool. And this has to be like way up here. I may not want this to be that big. Maybe right around here, so they will be like really far away. What's the other mountain that we have? I will go ahead and just straight up copy this. I don't mind that this is like completely symmetrical. I mean, I may just try to distort this a little bit. Is there like a... I mean, there should be. Oh, liquify. I think it has like a liquify feature here. Liquify persona. Yes. What? Please select a pixel layer or mask. Okay. Sorry, I didn't notice. Cool. Cool. Okay. Yeah, exactly. That's what I wanted. So I just want this to be like not so like, yeah, to make some variations. I think that's cool. That's enough. I may need to do this so this matches a little bit, and then we'll delete a little bit of that. Cool. Apply. And right here, so this matches a little bit better, I will just start deleting. Erasing would be a better word, I think. Yeah. More pixels, please. A little less opacity. Less flow. Cool. And now it is blending a little bit better, right? I think. Yeah, cool. That looks better. Much better. Okay, so we have like a little bit of mountains. let's take a look into this next layer. Oh, this has to be like way in the middle. I like it. So we're going to use this. What is the shortcut for this one? W. Okay, cool. So I will select this a little bit greater, bigger, faster, stronger. Cool, 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 cool. I don't need this. Thank you very much. Take a big zoom in. Okay. Cool. So I will invert this selection and start erasing everything else. Yes, yes. Everything. Thank you very much. Oh, also in here. I don't like this black line. That's perfect. And now we're just going to start moving. I want this to be like in a layer, yeah, behind this and behind this. Cool. I like it. So yeah, this has to be like massive. This is like a huge rock that is right on the, yeah, I love it. I will erase all of this. What's happening? Yeah, here. Erase this, all of this. Okay, and even this. I will have to zoom in. Take my eraser, increase the hardness, more flow, less size, and I want to delete this. How do I undo a delete thing? Because you know what? I'm gonna liquefy this. I'm just gonna delete this and liquefy the rest because I think it looks a little bit strange. Oh, this looks nice. I like it. This is cool. Okay. So what is going on here? Oh my god. I didn't erase properly all the other parts. This thing in here. I mean, not that big of a deal, but we will have to be careful with that. Much more careful. I am erasing instead of just masking. I don't know how big of a mistake that is. Thinking about it right now, it is a big mistake. Okay, cool. Should that be like right in the middle or maybe like in here? Maybe duplicate and be symmetrical again. Could that work? What if I do maybe just a little bit, which is, yeah, kinda, maybe. Okay, I think that looks cool. Like two big boulders right in the, almost in the middle of our shot. I will still liquefy this one. Take this a little bit down. Maybe do this so it is a little bit different from the other one. Yeah, that's enough, I think. Apply. Erase. Cool. Okay, so we have our sky, we have our mountains. What else do we need? Oh, I think I have another mountain in here. Should we use this? I don't think that's necessary. Yeah, I think we already have what we needed. I will delete this one. And I will take all of this. Oh, this looks cool. I will take all of this and say that these are my mountains. Mountain, what's happening? Mountains, cool, thank you. And this is our sky. Just the sky. Perfect. So, what else? We need our buildings. I am going to erase all of this right down here from the sky. Of course, we don't need it. Cool. Let's save this. This will be our matte painting. Live. This is from Affinity. Photo. And we will say that this is matte. Cool. So now that this is saved, let's take a look for some buildings. Okay. Okay, so we really need to take care of the perspective. This one is huge. Looks interesting, but maybe we could use this. Looks cool. Okay, let's try this one. We need like long shots. Yeah, buildings is not the best term. Maybe city. Yeah, cool. That's what I was talking about. I need these buildings to be complete. I don't want to reconstruct them. Oh, this one's cool. But we should... You know what? We can take this shot. Oh my god, this is what we are doing. We're going to take this shot and matte paint our mountains on the back. That's what we're going to do. I like this shot like so much. So much. This is not necessary. I will just delete it. Okay. How do I cancel it? Okay, let's just check out. 6K. This one's going to be 6K HQ. This is going to be our main footage. I just love it. Of course, it is going to take a while, of course. So let's take just a little break. I need to stretch my legs. So we're going to be back really soon. Let me just... Okay, I will just write it in here. Be right back. I'll be right back. So, yeah, see you in a couple of minutes. Okay, so we are back right now. Let's see if our footage... Yeah, it's already downloaded. That's cool. I really think this is a good idea. I hope this works. Is this 25 too? Yeah, cool. Perfect. So this is like our main footage. Matte painting practice. And what we're going to do is get in here. I think that what we're going to do is roto everything that is in here and everything inside these two towers. We're going to get rid of it. Well, not everything. Just the horizon. Everything that is... Everything beyond... Oh my god. This will be an interesting shot, like for sure. Because I think that what we're going to replace is everything beyond this part. Everything right on the back. Maybe put some grass over here. The only thing that I'm struggling about is that, of course, this is a night scene. Could we make this look as if everything inside here was in broad daylight? Can we do the old switcheroo? A night for day? Is there such a thing like a night for day? I think that the roto is going to be simple, but at the same time it's going to take some effort, of course. I'm trying to think if we need like a 3D tracking or if we need more of a roto. Well, we need roto, but okay, let's make first some roto. I will do everything inside here. I will create a new fusion clip from this. Everything is going to be inside DaVinci. So, oh, we have a little... okay, that's not a problem, I think. I do not like this. I will resize... is it a resize? What we need? You know what? We're going to get rid of this composition. Yes. And first of all, we're going to scale it. So we have just there, 1.06. Yeah, it's perfect. So now we save this, Fusion clip, and start working in Fusion. Okay. So first things first, roto. I will use an instance of silhouette. Cool. This is already 709, I think. Are we using? Yeah, DaVinci RGB. Okay, Rec 709. I give up, to be fair. And let's launch the interface. Let's see what happens. Oh my god. Ah, coffee. Coffee. Create project. It is a roto project. Cool. Okay, so now it is running slow. I think it is because we have a video file instead of an image sequence. So we will have to make this into an EXR first. So I will export this, just this, as an EXR file. Should we use linear? Yeah, why not? Let's use linear. Let's go into export. Just this part on here. Cool. EXR. DWA. Cool. Browse. What am I doing? There is so much light right now. Today is a very bright day. That's great to hear. 2024, YouTube, live, 19. This will be my EXR sequence. And this will be my city linear. Now, I am saying that it is linear, but we still need to tell DaVinci that this is actually linear. It's going to be, my color space is going to be sRGB as well, but my gamma will be linear. Oh my god, yeah. Yeah, linear, cool. Yeah, that looks interesting. Okay, so export city original underscore linear at render queue and render. This shouldn't take that long. Oh my god, it is taking long. Oh my hand. This is too hot for me now. Oh, I forgot my water. Cool. Okay, so now I'm going to import my EXR sequence. It should be here. Let's get back into Fusion. We need to be right here. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this all over again. I don't need it. Delete. I need my city original, which is my EXR. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. And this is going to be my Fusion clip. Cool. Let's get back in here. And here we're going to use Silhouette. And let's launch Silhouette. Create. Nice. We're going to say that this is our linear. We want to see the sRGB. That's perfect. Okay. So it is not caching that fast. I mean, the reason could be that the resolution is quite large. This, to be honest, this kind of scares me. I am going to do the following. I am going to make a mask to just track tracker, Shift T. Okay. I'm going to create a next spline in here. Let me move this in here. What did I do? Let me delete this one and this one. Start over again. So what I will try to do is to track this thing in here, just this. But I am not sure if I should set like a garbage mat. Maybe I should. The thing is that at the end, there's going to be very little room. I do not know how to set like a negative mask inside silhouette. I do not know how to do that. Okay, so we're going to do a tutorial. Silhouette, bodies, effects, masks. Track improvements, bath tracks, quick start, importance of tracking. Oh my god, I do not know which tutorial should I. What is power mat? Oh my god, this roto work is amazing. It looks really cool. Really cool. That's a difficult shot. Well, more like a not so fun shot. Silhouette roto, masterclass. Okay, you know what? I will just try to track it. Hope for the best. I'll learn from my mistakes. That's what we are going to do. Let me. Yeah, here's my thingy. I will need to track this with my Mocha tracker. I need translation, I need scale, rotation, shear and perspective. Maybe not, but I will try it. Let's track forward. This is the most simple one because, yeah. Pa-pa-pa-pam, pa-pa-pa-pam. Almost done. I mean, this is a simple one. We will need to take a look into the most difficult one after. How could I tell silhouette to ignore certain regions? I mean, this track is really good. And this is a Mocha tracker, right? So we should be able to tell it if there is a negative node. I mean, these nodes should be something. Okay. Yeah, I'm really concerned about this. This works great. Hey, what's up? Big Taco. We're doing some roto and I'm suffering because I don't know how to put a negative mask in here. I mean, I know how to do it in Mocha. Maybe we should just do it in Mocha? Could that be easier? Well, we'll see. This is my fear, that this is going to be altered by this. Oh my god. There is no reason for me to think that this is going to work. Oh my god, it is working. Okay, okay, please, 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 please just work. Please just work. Okay. What about... Oh my god, this next part. I am so stressed. Please work. I mean, it is better than I expected. It is not perfect. But man, this is way better than I expected. Okay, not perfect, like at all. Hey, is the music over? Come on, music. I do not know why the music is not playing. Let's try to do this. I'm not sure if I'm listening or not. Yeah, okay. The volume was just to... Oh, it is still tracking, right. I mean, I have no idea how this is working. I am glad it is. Wow. I mean, not perfect by any means, but close enough to start doing some roto, right? Okay, the thing that I don't know is once I have this tracker, I mean, I can stabilize, right? From layer 1. Oh, this is not stabilized. What's happening? What's happening? Oh my god. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on in here? Fit. Yeah. In theory, this should be... Oh, it is stabilized. I thought it wasn't, but it is. Okay, so I will need to once this is stabilized, I can start... Should I make it in the same node? This is my tracker. Okay. So this tracker, what if I want to... I will need like 2 different passes, I think. One on which I mask everything inside in here. So, and then another mask on which I roto all of this, I think. I mean, I am so confused right now. I don't need to roto everything, just some parts. Okay, let's try to start with this. A B-spline is good enough. I will need this to be from here all the way up here. I mean, I will not try to make details with the windows or that kind of stuff. I think this is it. Okay, let's try to do this. So I just have like the white parts. Oh, this is too curvy, I think. Too curvy. I mean, for inorganic stuff, it's perfect. But for this, I'm not sure. And yeah, I don't need all of that up there. I don't know if you can hear the music from the background. It is hilarious. Yeah, because I need to replace all of that sky. Oh my god, what am I doing? This is the kind of nightmares that I thought I would not have to do. Oh my god, why am I doing this? Why? I'm not even sure if this is going to work. You know what? I am being so kind of dumb. Please. Okay. Is this accurate? I do not need this. Okay. I think this is because of the lens distortion. Not cool. I think with alt click I can add more points. One more here. Okay, good enough. What's happening? Why? I cannot. Come on. Select this. Okay, yes. Okay, so yeah, this is interesting. Okay, here is the blending mode, right? Opacity. Yeah, I don't need any opacity in here. Okay, cool. And what I think is that no, it doesn't. I thought that that was going to follow all the shape. It is not. What I will try to do is to make its own tracking data, right? Just tracker, select this, get into the tracker, do some planar tracker, I think. And yeah, let's try this. Oh no. Why is this not working? Should I use these controllers? Huh. Okay, I will try the Mocha tracker instead. Why is... Oh, no. Stop. I selected the wrong one. Yeah. One all over again, please. And yes. Yeah, exactly. That one. I don't know what it is vibrating. Doesn't look good. I will need to get all the way over here. I need to read something. Okay, I need to answer this. Okay. Let's see this tracking. I mean, it is. Oh my god, I cannot believe the accuracy from this. I mean, look at that. That's just amazing. How it. This is really cool. Okay, I will just need to get something in here done. It should be. Okay. My mask is, yeah, a little bit off, like way off. You know what? I messed up. I need more points. The thing is that. Oh, this is the feather. I don't need that. So the thing is that this kind of mask tries to make the thingy, I don't know how to say it, the curve makes it like really very, very soft, smooth, maybe a better word. And these kind of buildings are not smooth, they have like very aggressive lines. So I am afraid that this may not work that well. But I will still try. I mean, it is so far away that may be not such a big deal, but I do want this to look good. Okay, better. Yeah, I got questions about this. Maybe in here. Okay, this should be all the way back there. And to be fair, I am also not sure if I am actually working. Oh yes, I'm doing it good. Okay, cool. Yeah, this needs like way more lights. Okay. Yeah, this goes in here. I am first refining my mask. So when I need to change all the keyframes, hopefully this should work properly. And you know what? I think that this mask is way too big. Way too big. I will need to track. Okay, I will do this one because I already done it. Kinda. Sorta. But the next building that I do should be just like one face. I don't know how to do it. Yeah. Okay, cool. So this looks good enough. Oh, not yet. Yes, please. Yes. Why did it move? I think that I already did this before, but for some reason it kind of moved. Maybe it did. Maybe it was another mask. Not sure. Yeah, cool. So what I need to do now is to take a look into all of this. I will get all the way back into the last frame and adjust this. What if I just try to do this, right? That looks cool. Just this because of the perspective. Yeah, I think that's enough. What if I just need to lower this a little bit? Okay. I really think that's enough. And maybe a little bit in here. Yeah, that looks good. What about here? Okay, let's take a look into this. This should look good. Yes, it does. Oh my god, yes. Even better than I expected. Yeah, I will just need to adjust maybe this. because of the perspective. I mean, that's totally understandable. Maybe just that. Cool. That's so cool. Okay. Oh, no. Get rid of that. Okay. Yeah, I don't need to create any more keyframes. That would be such a huge mistake. Okay, so cool. So right here, everything is done. I like it. Let's try to track this layer backwards. No, this is not the button. Let's get back in here. Be sure that we are on our keyframe. Get back to the tracker, Mocha tracker, and track away. Come on, let's go. We will have to stop this at a certain point. Oh, I think we are, yeah, we are past that point. Okay. You know what? I am okay with this. I will just delete all the tracking data from this point all the way back here. How can I select? Okay, cool. Can I do this? Okay, cool. So I will keep all of this tracking data. That's kind of perfect, to be honest. Let's check this out. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Almost. All the way up to this point, it is pristine. Okay, that looks good. Give me just a second. Hey, just remember me. That's cool. Thank you. Can I give a static image of torn papers overlay a little motion as if they are moving like a flag? Oh my god, that's, I mean, you can, of course you can, but that's a big challenge. If you want to, if you have like a, if you already have like an image, a sample image, send it to me and I will try to do it. I think we can do it with some warping inside Fusion. I think. Okay, I am just guessing right now, but that should be doable. I will try to put a keyframe all the way up here, because I think that if we can nail this movement, everything else will just fall in place. Okay, we will need some warping, of course. It will be not that easy. Okay, this is my warping. Okay, a little bit all the way up here. Let's move this all the way back here. I do not think I am doing this well enough. What if we try to make this mask smaller? Jeez. Yeah, it's too big still. Almost. Yeah, that works. Oh, that works really good. Oh my god, yes. What about this? Let me just do this. Do this, and that one is okay. The interpolation is the one that I am fearing the most. Yeah, it's not perfect, of course, but it is sliding a little bit. We will have to take a look into what part. I think it's all the way back here. If we adjust this, we should be golden. What if we make this? I think there is not that much perspective change, so this should be enough. Kinda. Okay, cool. Let's fit this in here. Cool. And let's take a look. Okay, that's better. Oh yes, it all got repaired just because of that little adjustment. We have just a little bit of a problem. Houston, like right in here. Let's lower this a little bit. And lower it also right in here. Because that perspective needs to, yeah, it's almost there, almost there. Close in here and lower it. Yeah, oh my god, almost. Just a little bit more to the left. More, I think. Yeah, way more. And you know what? Also in here, we need to make this change. Okay, I think that's it. Almost. Yeah, the thing is that as the perspective changes, even if it is not noticeable in the last frame, we still need to adjust it in there so it looks great. Okay. Yeah, I think that's cool. Okay, we still have like a couple of frames to go. These are like the more difficult ones because we can barely see our building, like barely. Oh my god, is this accurate? I don't know why, but it still works in here. So it is already done, basically. Okay, so I will not stabilize this anymore. No rota, no stabilizer. And this building, yeah, that's the movement that it does. Cool. I will try to I will use this. I need to go to the preferences because I don't need this color to be I do not know if I can change the alpha from here. Oh, I can change it in here in this B-spline. There you go. Yeah, you need like a little bit of an overlay. Cool. We have, oh, no problem. That's cool. Okay, cool. Next, I think I'm going to do the buildings on the back. I will do just one of the buildings and we'll take it from there. I'm not sure if I should make like different pieces. I think not. This perspective is I'm trying to see if there is like a, oh no, I think it's good. Yeah, I will just do like a huge rectangle in here. So I don't want to see this spline. I will building 1. I didn't even try to make this with the magic mask. I went straight right here into silhouette. Okay, this is okay. I will need to increase the gamma. Oh my god, maybe the gain. Let's. Okay, maybe here. I just want to make sure that I can actually see what's happening in here. I will make a mask in here. Okay, I will try another one. Maybe the X-spline or the Bezier. I will try. I will first Google which are the differences from both. E-spline versus X-spline in silhouette. I mean, this is a very in-depth like tutorial. What about just an image? Okay. I just want to. Okay, I just need to read it. X-splines allow you from a right click to change your points to cardinal. Okay, okay. I think, yeah, the X-spline will be better for me. I will try to do this right here. Let me switch to my. I mean, these lines are kinda. Oh my god, what's happening here? I will try to do this. We will have to zoom in like way too much just to be able to see if this is accurate. I think it is. I may have made like way too many. Oh god. Way too many lines. What's happening here? Oh, no, this is a feather. I don't want to feather this. We are in an X-spline, right? So why is it doing this? Do I still need to make more points? I thought that I was gonna get rid of this by doing the X-spline, but yeah, okay, no problems. Like, not so many, at least. Okay, all the way up here. I think this is it. Oh, here we have a little problem. Let's zoom in a little bit. Quite a bit, actually. This should be, yeah, that's good. This should be more of a straight line. This should be also more of a straight line. Okay. Now, the thing is that I think that if I put this all the way up here, this is going to inherit the tracking from the tracker of this layer. I think. Blend mode, invert, motion blur. Okay. I really think that. Let me try to fit this in here. And let's see what happens. No, it is not inheriting that tracking. What if I stabilize from that layer? No. No, it is not moving like whatsoever. Let's see, where are the properties? This is my building 2. Okay. What's this? Show tool overlay. Rotate. Show surface. ROI. Snapshot. Onion skin. Oh, onion skin. Interesting. How could I tell this to assume this tracking? I have no idea. I don't want to track it again. It already has tracker. What kind of tools do I have in here? Notes. Composite. Wow. Man, there are a lot of things that you can do inside Silhouette. Double fog? Depth of field. Okay, I didn't know that. Beauty Studio? Fog, frost, mist. Film lab. Okay. We have a Mocha node. I mean, I think that I can use actually Mocha. This is nuts. This is nuts. There are so many options in here. Hold the frame, time blur. But then how you export all of this? Lens correction, of course. Okay, yeah, I don't know how to do this. Should I track this all over again? I mean, I think I will. Yeah, I think I will. I will still need to adjust it, but I think that this is going to be good enough. I really think so. I don't know why is it moving that much. It was doing the exact same thing before, although, yeah, when I actually see it, it is doing great. Oh, you know what? I made a huge mistake. What's happening here? What? Why is this? Come on. I don't know. I mean, this was my building 2. Why did I do that? I think, oh my god, this is like a huge mistake, but I don't remember doing this. I don't know why I cannot select my points. Come on. Okay. It's weird. Now it works. I will still need to do this in here. In here. Oh, we have another one in here. Oh my god, I made so many points with this one. That's not cool. I will adjust this because this is my keyframe. But come on. We should be able to. Yeah, this is weird. Okay, looks good. I think this one's gonna be out here. Okay, so maybe add a little keyframe in here so we get rid of all of that. Yeah, cool. And this is the moment of truth. Let's see if the tracking actually worked or if we're going to lose our minds. Oh my god, it works so amazingly. So amazingly. I will just need to adjust, I mean, almost nothing. Just this a little bit. Everything is right in place. Like, so smoothly. Let me change the opacity of this. Okay, so I will just fit this in here and take a look into our mask. Oh yes, looks perfect. Cool. So right now what I will need to do is to track the rest of the shot, but it is looking great. So let's hope that this is all great. Cool. Select the building 2, get into our tracker and track backwards. Yeah, cool. Wow. Wow. This is the moment of truth. The moment of occlusion. What I fear the most. I cannot believe how good this tracker is. It is totally ignoring the buildings on the outside. And it's really managing to... Wow. I mean, even if this tracker breaks right now, right here, I am already impressed on how it managed to understand that the other object is just an occlusion and not part of the tracking. And I don't know how it does that. I thought that I would need to put like a negative mask. It was not necessary. It is just that amazing. Oh, come on, just be good for just 25 more frames. Come on. 1 second of footage. 10 frames. Yes, you're amazing. Yes. This worked, and I cannot believe it. I will just need to adjust just a little bit. I mean, it's like almost, no, I will not adjust anything. Oh my God, no, it's perfect. It actually is perfect. I will take out the stabilization. Look at that. We have two almost perfectly. I mean, yeah, kind of perfectly. How can I cache this? Can I, please? Force RAM crash. Okay. Render session. No. No. Session settings. 4K 25. Yes. Okay. Okay. Looks great. I am happy with this. We still have many more buildings to go. But this is going great. I don't know if I should try to track this like two different buildings, or just give it a shot and do it like in, yeah, I will try it. I will actually try to do it in just one step. Maybe around here, because we're here, we can see the whole building, and I will have to get rid of that. Okay, let's try this. We will use at this point I don't like either the EX or the B splines. What is this? iCase. Yeah, I will use this. What is going on in here? I will have to get rid of this, I think. I think that it is bleeding out in here. Okay, no. Let's get this right in here. Oh, these blurs are so not great. So not great. Yeah, I will treat this as a straight line. I mean, come on. This will have to get back in here. Okay, and right here it is doing this, and then goes all the way back in here. This corner is in here. Okay. What if we do this? We do that. Just there. Okay, so we're going to track it all over again. Once again, I have no idea how to... Okay, this is building 3. I don't know how to make... Oh, it is inheriting the tracker. It actually is. But, huh? Oh, this is better. Way better. I will just need to adjust this, like for a couple of frames. How? Yeah, I think I was not aware of that it is actually inheriting the tracking data. Yeah, this is amazing. I will just have to adjust this in theory in one single frame, which is this one. And if everything goes as I expect it to go, which right now it's looking great, maybe this, yeah. Okay, right in here. Yeah, that looks perfect. Maybe this will be enough. Oh, no, it's not. Yeah, but it's way better than than nothing. I will try to... Oh, this is huge. Do this. No, this. Okay, yes. Okay, cool. Cool. I will need to do this, but I need to lower this. Yeah, I think I will need to... Oh, cool. Yes. Is that it? No, it's not, but you know what? I think that the tracking data is suffering a little bit. Especially here. Yeah, right to this point. I think that's it. Oh, here. And I think that's it. Looking good. It's doing something. Oh, yes, here it works. Like almost perfectly. Maybe it shrinks a little bit right in there. Let's try to see at which point it glides. I think it's from here. Yeah, set a nice point in there. And then try to adjust it all the way back here. I think, at least. And also here it moves a little bit. I don't want that. Oh, yes, it moves. But how much? Like, is it that big of a deal? It's looking great. Maybe I should expand a little bit in here. Oh, no, I shouldn't. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. Yeah, this tracking is getting lost, but doable. I think if we correct it from here, we should be almost there. The perspective on this one is getting a little bit crazy. Here, oh, and here we have no tracking data, right? 11 o'clock. Oh my god. Oh. Whew. Where should I? Yeah. From about here. I think here we need a tracking point. Yes. Also this. Cool. And from now on, okay, I will try to make this fit. You know what? I will do it. This should be right in the border. Okay, so I will do this and trying to fit this from here. First, where is it? This one, all the way back here. And then this one I have no idea where, but I do know that this has to go somewhere. Oh, right in there. What about that? Yeah, that's not enough, but it's a good beginning. Yeah, it glides right there. I will adjust the last frame where I know exactly where everything is, which is, oh, this is doing good. Yeah, this one has no problems, of course. It is from this point on. Oh. Yeah, from here all the way up. Yeah, this is kind of confusing, to be fair. Okay, let's try this in here. The rest is doing good. Okay, better, much better. Hey, what's up, Steve? Oh my god, okay. This is not good. I mean, all the way up here, this is doing good. So I will try to adjust it just a little bit to create a keyframe. Yes. Then, what if I correct? Where does it start moving? Yeah, it is right there. And it stops moving maybe around, yeah, like here, somewhere around here. Adjust. Let's check. Yeah, we are a little bit off, but that's not that bad. Then it starts to glide all over again. Let's try to correct this in here. Yes. Yeah, cool. This was a little bit more difficult than I expected, but still we are doing good. Let's take a look into this. Let's save. Yeah. I was looking at some problems right in here, but we don't need that much part of the building, so that's not such a big problem, I think. I hope, at least. Oh my god, this building in here. I expect nightmare with this. Such a big nightmare. What a headache. Could I take this building and track it? Yeah, I mean, it's not going to be the best track in the world, but it is still going to... Oh, I can just put it in here, right? Maybe that will suffice. Yeah, let's try it. It's going to be our building number 4, I think. Let's do something here. Let's get back all the way up here until we hit this point, and then just do this. Just a big block. Okay. Let's zoom in 100%. Move these points because of course they are wrong, but it's all good. It was expected. Okay, just a little bit. This one. Boop. And yeah, I will need some more points in here. I think many more points. This all should be right out there. I think, yeah, that's perfect. I don't need that many, but that's good. So, can we see some magic? Maybe it is already tracked. I mean, for the most part it is. I will just have to move just this perspective, maybe. Oh, like how much? Oh, like very much. Okay. These kind of controls, I really love them because I can actually see what do I have to change. So right in here, and in this corner, right in here, right? Maybe a little bit less. Okay, so is that good enough? Yeah, it is. Cool. Perfect. And what about here? All of these frames, all of this needs to be adjusted, but I'm not scared. I think this will be fast enough. This is so... Okay, a little bit more. Yes. What about that? Yeah, perfect. Cool. And the other frames, yeah, behave perfect. Okay, this was faster than I expected. Okay, so... Whew. What about if we take just a little break? Like, please. Okay, so I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Let's put the be right back This is it. And I'll see you. Oh my god, where's my mouse? I lost my mouse and I don't know where it is. And I cannot pause accurately without it. Oh my. Is it? What happened? Okay, this was not expected. Let's try this again. Are you here? Yes. Yeah, cool. Okay, so be right back. Cool. So now we're back here. I think should change a little bit the playlist. What about some lo-fi? Some good old lo-fi. Good old. Very old. Lo-fi. I need to be by top downloads, please. Thank you very much. And let's scroll all the way down here. Yeah. We're all set. Almost. There we go. Thank you. Okay, so, oh my God, we're trying to do some roto in here because we want to make this matte painting. Oh, it is not responding. My matte painting file is not responding, but we want to make this image to fit right behind all of these buildings. Yeah, so we need to roto now all of this horizon all the way down here. I may even need to stretch these lines now that I think about it. I don't know why I didn't do, oh my God, yeah. I should have done it earlier. It is all just a big rectangle, right? Okay, let's correct this like right now. Let's select this. Let's go through all our keyframes. Oh my God. But I'm not sure. Yeah, maybe take all of this and lower them way back here, way down here. So in theory, this is not aligned. What happened? This goes all the way down here. Okay, that's weird. This one's good. And let's get back into the next keyframe and adjust this to be down here. All the way, I think this has to be a little bit up. Yep. I don't know why it does this. I hate it. I don't know how to correct it. Hopefully that's not an issue as it was in the Dexter experiment. Yeah, kinda. Maybe a little bit all the way up here. Oh, select. Yeah, cool. Next keyframe, which will be this one, and get all the way back here. That's cool. Next keyframe, which will be all the way down here. What's happening? Select. Okay. Yes, I think so. I mean, oh my God. Yeah, I will need to make this keyframe as well. This is a little bit moved. Come on. Okay, there you go. All the way down here. It's perfect. It does move like a little bit. I will need to do that later. Okay. Yeah, I think I will still need to correct so much more. No, too much. Yep. What about this? Come on. Just a little bit. Yep. And all the way down here. And get it back here. Oh my God, why? Is this moving? Is it me? Is it the software? What's going on? I think that was already done. Like, what's happening here? No? Okay. 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 And yeah, this is also like super not fun. What is the matter with you? Okay, let's see this thing. Okay, it is moving a little bit still. Oh, I did another keyframe. That's a huge mistake. No, I need this in here. Why? Please tell me why. What's happening? Oh my god, what? It is moving like all over the place. Do you see that? I think it wasn't doing that before. Yeah, maybe it was and I didn't put that much attention. Okay. So this is done. Let's say that this is done, please, please. We have already like 3 alphas. Okay, we have 3 buildings that have been already been rota, but we still have the floor. I think that this part of the buildings, all the way, what is it? Yeah, this part, just this. It is like a really small part, but it has to be done. That should be fast. I think that I may also need to do, yeah, this part needs to be taken care of. Okay, okay, don't panic, it's all good. What if the thing that I will need to do right now, I think it's the floor. I mean, the floor has to be like done. Okay, so this is a good spline. This is building number 4. Building 2. Yeah, I will try to make my floor. Could I track? Yeah, I will be able to track it like almost all the way. So I will just create another layer, I think. How can I create another layer? What is this? Active layer, active layer. Oh, what's going on? What do you mean by active layer? Okay, I don't know. I will try and get a next spline. I will need to trace this. I will not deal with the lining posts. I mean, not right now. I will do this, this, and this. Oh my god. Yeah, I mean, this shouldn't be like a big. Okay, that's cool. Cool. I will need to set this back in here because I don't wanna track all of this, of course, just the floor. So let's move this all the way back here and let's refine this a little bit, just a little bit. This goes in here. Yeah, I will try to do this. Yes, cool. Yeah, good enough. Cool. Yeah, all the way back down here. I don't care about these lines. I mean, that's going to stay as it is. What about this? It's going down here. This is kind of perfect. Yeah, this is not. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Oof, that light. Yeah, I will save that light. Actually, yeah, I will get rid of those houses. I don't need them. And I think I still need Yeah, all of that. I mean, yeah, maybe just a fill layer after the fact. Okay. The thing I am a little bit worried about is that how could I... Yeah, I will just track this, right? Like, as if it was not such a big deal. This is a very large area, so this will take a while. Ba-ba-ba-bam. Bam, 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 bam. Doing good so far, like pretty good, to be fair, to be honest. This is, oh my god, let's see. Not that bad. I do not expect this to work all the way, although it is kind of working. I think this is great. I will still need to do a couple of adjustments, but for most of it, it is kind of done. I will stop it right here. I don't... Oh my god, how many tracking points. I do not need to... What is it tracking? And why is it that good? I don't know what are the parts that it actually tracks. Oh, why is that building getting so skewed? What happened? I really hope that this amount of trackers is not messing up with the rest of the trackers. I don't know how to be sure about that, but yeah. Okay, this is cool. Let's take a look into this. Lower the opacity. Yeah. Up. Too much. Yeah, I will keep it as it is. I do not think I will... yeah, I will try to make just a little bit of a correction in here. I want this to be like way down here. I mean, not a huge deal. Not that big of a correction, but it's just to feel as if I was actually needed for this. To feel important to myself. Yeah, this is like a big one. It starts moving right in here. Let's set a keyframe. And it starts moving like way over. No problem, I can just try to do this. Yeah, I will set it right there. Yeah, I don't want this to be very abrupt, like that movement. I think it is because of this. Yeah, that jump. That's quite a big jump. Can you please behave? I mean, yeah, that's cool. I don't care. What about this? Yeah, this is golden. I may need to change. No, it's good. Of course, it is not perfect. Once again, I didn't expect this to be perfect, but it kinda is. And that makes me really happy. I'll just need to get this in here. Yes. What about the horizon? My horizon is a little bit skewed. Just this one. What about here? Oh, I have duplicated keyframes. Let's correct that. It's in here. Where is it? There you go. I will delete this one, I think. Yeah, cool. I think, oh, I should keep the lights, right? So all of this is wrong. All the way up here. I'll need to get this in here and set this all the way up here. How do I go to the previous keyframe? I don't know. Come on. Yeah, better. 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 Oh, okay. Okay. There is a little bit of movement in here. Not that dramatic. Cool. Yeah. For the most part, this is good. Just what is it? Oh yeah, I should get all this all the way up here. Just do this. Okay, I think we're good. Woo! What a job to do some rota. Okay, so we already have the floor. I will need to like to patch all of the other stuff because, oh, this building, I messed up with this one. I will need to lower this. What about there? And then here, let's do the same. Be sure to be on the keyframe and do this, and then all the way. Oh, that's done, right? I mean, that one was like the easiest. It was just 2 keyframes and let's go, because of the good tracking. What about this? Okay, so I will just need to, you know what? We still need to make this. Oh my god, what am I going to do with that? I will need to, I will do it separately. I will try to do a rectangle for this wall and another for this one and another for that one. I think they all should be like separated, and they will need to have their own floor. I mean, I will say floor, but this is not like a floor, like at all. Okay, I will, if I start making a new, okay, it will create it right down there, so I don't want that. What if I deactivate this and I start doing, okay, it makes its own. Okay, cool. Yeah, I will make it down here. Try to do this and maybe go all the way down here. Yes, and this and a little bit of, that's not the way it should go, but let's try either way. I will need more points, of course. One here, one here. This is the important part. One of the most important parts. This one should go all the way down here. Okay. Yes, to this. Kind of perfect. Cool. Works well. Yes. Beautiful. BEA, beautiful. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this one I just need it to be good enough. So, fit. Let's save. I do not want to see any of the other layers. I am getting confused. And I am going to track forwards. So let's go into tracking, forwards. Let's go. All over again. I love how smooth this movement is. And even then, I mean, the tracking is becoming well, but it's taking such a long time to do. Such a long time. I didn't think that this was going to take me such a long time. We already have spent like almost 3 hours. That is such a long time. And this mask is behaving. Good. Good, 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 good. I just don't know at which point this is just going to give up. It is kind of already giving up right here. But this border, which is the part that matters the most to me now, it's behaving well. You know what? Maybe I should have just tracked a smaller layer. Okay, let's try. I will try this in the next step. I will not interrupt this, but I will try it in the next step. Okay, interesting. It is behaving so well, so well. Oh, this is getting tough. Okay, I will stop it in here. Let's see. For the most part, this was perfect actually. I will just need to put like a couple of keyframes. So this will have to, where is it? Where's the tracking data? Yeah, right here. So from this point, we will add, oh, this moves like so much. Oh my God, do you see that? Okay, oof. This was not expected, although that is very realistic. Very, very realistic. Because yeah, those points should be all the way over there. I will need to take this. Yeah, try to move it. What? Sometimes you move. Oh my God, is the mask? Is it gonna crash on me? Okay. Every time that I press a number, this is too much to handle. Okay, let's do something. I will delete this layer. Okay, it was too much to handle. I will create a way smaller area to track, which will be, I think, maybe this. Just because I really need to track the area, but at the same time, I don't need to track everything. I can just anchor my shape to the tracking data. So I will try to make it in a much intelligent way, hopefully. What about this? Let's try to make this happen. Oh, not this. Yep. Okay, I think that's a good area. What if we track backwards? What's going on? Oh, this is just playback. I need to go right here and track backwards. I was thinking, oh my God, that's so fast. Okay, no, that was fast because that was just playback. Although it was still fast. Yeah. I'm not sure about the tracking area at this point. I have so many questions about Silhouette. I am just using like the very basic tools that it offers. I have just used the rotonode and that's it. Just the rotonode. That tracking looks good. Looks really good. I have questions about what's going to happen at this point. So many questions. I hope it doesn't go nuts. It could, but let's hope it doesn't. It doesn't. Okay, that's starting to slide, right? Yeah, let's stop it right here. It was good until this point. Let's delete everything else. All of this data is not worth it. All of this, cool. So let's then first, what's the name of the first plane, let's say. This is just a tracker. Let's get rid of this, and in this layer we're going to make our X-spline, which now is going to behave so well. Please behave, please be good, please be worth it. And this goes all the way up here. Oh yeah, I forgot. Whoop. What's this? This should go in here, this should go in here. What? No, wait, what's happening? Yeah, if I put this, yeah, thank you. Okay, this should go all the way up here. Let's zoom in like very aggressively. Yes, all of this is good, I think. Yeah, that's cool. I will just need to adjust the one in the bottom, right? And maybe add, oh no, well, yeah, maybe it's a little bit. This, yeah, just one pixel, like, yeah, cool. And maybe all of this, one to the left, cool. Okay, so the thing is that I really wish this sticks. Oh no, this is having like way too many problems. You know what? I will not use any tracking data. I will just delete all my tracking data from here to here, okay? And I will just keyframe it, like, come on, okay? That shouldn't be the way to go. I do think I may regret this, but life is a risk, right? Life is a risk. Life is a risk, brother. Let's take this all the way up here. Yeah. I think I messed up this a little bit. And also this. Okay. Yes. What about, yeah, these keyframes are good enough. Maybe I could get this a little bit better. Maybe get it right here. And that's it. Yep. I mean, the only part where I really need this to be perfect is this border, not any of all the other stuff. So I will try to go ahead and, yeah, the scaling of this thing is going to be nuts. How do I do that? Like right up to this part, this has to, oh my god, what did I do? What's happening? Come on. Why are you doing that? What's going on? Did I make something wrong with this mask? I mean, it's possible, but no, it's all good. I just need to, what's going on? Is there another point? Where? What? If I do this, why does it start to do that? What are you doing? I am suffering so much, so much. It is just scaling up. I am just trying to scale up this layer, this shape. Why you don't allow me to? What did I do wrong? Is it like... No, it is not. For one moment I thought that this was like... Is there something down there? I mean, yeah, it should just do this. Not all of the crazy stuff that it is doing. I mean, even here it just bends. But why does it do that? What's going on? Oh my god. How painful. This is just a plane. I mean, come on, this is just a plane. Should I try to track this all over again? What if I try to take this? Yeah, it does the same. I think it is because of the shape. I do not know why exactly. I just deleted it. Like, come on. Wow. Wow. I will take a very risky decision. I will just draw a giant. Wait. Yeah, I need it. I will just draw like a giant mask in here and track it. Like, I cannot take this anymore. Okay, so I will just... Okay, that's the kind of thing that... Why is it trying to make another keyframe? All the way down there. Okay, this is good. This is good. Was that the problem before? I need this in here. I will need this all the way up here. Okay, this is bent because of the lens distortion, because Danielle is not actually accounting for that. So yeah, let's just have fun, right? Let's just have some fun. What's the worst that could happen? Like, come on. Okay, this should go right in here. Let's take a look at this border. At the border. Okay, cool. Just a little bit to the right, thank you. And you as well, thank you. Okay, this has to be a little bit down. Maybe also here. Oh, Jesus. Okay, cool. This corner, I think, could be a little bit more tight. This has to go right in here. Okay. What about this? Should go right in here. You should go, come on. Yeah, right in here. Another one in here. Cool. And let's take a look to the one on the bottom. Yeah, it's way off. Way off. Well, not that bad, but still needs adjustment. Let's go to the middle. Yeah, a little bit, please. Yeah. And also here. Good enough. Oh my god, all the way up here as well. Oh yes, here. That's cool. I think I need you right here. Okay, so that's like the window that I actually need. Okay, so none of the other stuff should be a problem. Who knows, right? Let's try to track this. Hope for the best. It is already skewed right here, but let's wait. Or could that be just a Luma mat? I don't know. You know what? I may just need to track. It is already failing. Come on. Yeah, not worth it. Stop. Yeah, it's such a big area. It's not fair to try to track all of that in one go. Not fair, like at all. What time is it? It's already 12. Should we call it a day? Yeah, that's a keyframe. What if I adjust this like this? I mean, this shouldn't be that bad, right? Is it worth it? I think it is. It does look good. Okay, now let's do this. Okay, and now let's do this. Is it worth it? Yeah, it is. Yeah, I think I will just do that. I'll just keep doing that. Because if I try to track everything, oh, you know what? This will be not that easy. Get this down here. This is it, right? Okay. And now let's get back in here. Move this in here. Is it all good? Yeah, I think it is. Oh, this is not. And also, what is this? Yeah, the distortion is the thing that is making such a huge mess in here. And I should start taking care of that before doing some roto. That's my fault. I admit it. Oh, what's going on here? Yep. So this as well. And this one. Yeah, cool. Yeah, we will keep going on like this. I think it is way better. It will be kind of way faster, to be honest. So what if I go in here? I just take all of this, no, all of you here, all the way down here. Yeah. And all of you all the way down here as well. Oh my god, I didn't expect this. Okay, I will take you all the way down here. Okay, and what I will do from this point on, actually from this point on, is just do this, I think. Yeah, and start moving like yeah, I should move all of this all over again. This is where a vertical setup would make like too much sense just for this roto. Oh, maybe I should rotate my canvas, right? Instead of, yeah, I won't. Okay, let's try to do this. Okay, let's take account the distortion. Okay, looks good, and you should. Okay, cool. And you should go all the way down here. This is actually accurate, just 1 pixel. Oh, this is cool. Okay, I will just do this. Yeah. And let's. Okay, I think this is goodish. Oh no, it's skewed. Oh my god. I think it stops in here. I think. Let's see. Yeah, cool. Another way here, it's doing good. Okay, so I will try to do the very last frame from the full comp, which is this is not the very last, but very close to be the last. I'll set it right here. Okay, looking good. No, just yeah, just cool. Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, and here I'm going to do this. There is a little bit of motion blur. That's unfortunate. So unfortunate. Oh yeah, I am going to, yeah. Oh, where is my other? I will just cut it right where the motion blur starts, okay? I know that I can, oh my god, what's this? Yeah, that's not the way it goes. There is like a, okay, no problem. Let's do this. Okay, and do this. Okay, right here, and okay, cool. And here we gotta do this. A little bit of, where are you? Here you are. I think that the points should be a little bit more visible. Sometimes I get lost trying to find them, so that's annoying. Almost. Where is it dragging? I think here it's doing well. So let's make a keyframe. Here it starts to move until we are, I mean, is it dragging all the way? From here, it starts moving from here. Maybe all the way up here. It's hard to tell, to be honest. Yeah. Okay, better. Much better. Here it all goes through the toilet. That is because as we get closer to the object, the movement is way faster. So that is why this was not working from the beginning. Because there is like kind of a an acceleration curve that is increasing every single second. Well, every single frame even. Yeah, right here it is a little bit, yeah. Oh, this is good, cool. I will not move that one. And there is like a little just before, I think all the way up here. Okay, and let's move all of this. Cool. Okay. Oh, this is getting a little bit annoying. I will move all of this a little bit. Yeah. Where's the most amount of movement? All the way up. I think all the way up here. What about this? Yeah, a little bit of this. Cool. And let's see. No. Oh my god. I really don't want to make this frame by frame. Not because I don't want to, just because of that. I mean, yeah, I don't want, of course. But in Roto, the more keyframes you have to make, the more chances that it looks bad. Way more chances. So I don't like trying to make that many keyframes. Okay, so there is like a huge problem that I didn't see before. I need one more. I mean, it's not such a big deal, but such a pain. I need one more here. Okay, and that will have to be created in here. Oh, just modified. Okay, cool. That's, yeah. And this one. Oh, that's already done. Cool. Oh, it wasn't such a pain after all. Oh, what about this? This is a pain. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, we are almost there, like very close. I am just thinking about oh my god, all the other stuff that we have to do. I am not sure of how this is going to end, to be honest. Yeah, all the way up here. I'm going to set a keyframe over here, which is going to be like almost in the end of our frame. But of course, this is not going to be perfect. We will have to, I mean, yeah, I mean, it is not that bad. Actually, it is perfect. Cool. Okay, so I will wait until this is all the way up out there. Cool. Let's verify this. I will, in this frame, I will just get rid of this. Okay, that's the only thing that I wanted. And this has to be perfect, so let's align this. Okay. So this is not a problem anymore. And this is a problem still. But way more manageable. Cool. Cool. I have a bit of a problem in there. Let's get rid of this. Whoa, what's going on? This has to be all the way down here. I think there's a little bit of rolling shutter as well. Oh my god, how do you roto with rolling shutter? Taking into account rolling shutter, that sounds like a huge nightmare. Yeah, I think it is already done. Oh, please tell me that it is done. Does this look coherent for you? Yes. Okay. So, I will have to also take in consideration all the things that are out of frame. Okay, so this is main building. This will be just the left side. Let's do a normal. I will do one here. Okay, this is going to move. Oh, almost done. Cool. I will just need to move this. Okay, so I will just move a couple of frames, do this. Actually, at this point, I could just do this, right? Because it's all of the same alpha. Okay, cool. So this is the one on the left. I will need another one to be the one on the right. And yeah, I made a mistake, like a huge one. While doing this, I should have already done the part of the building. You know what? Oh, I don't know. No. Let's don't panic. Try not to, at least. Okay, let's move this all the way down here. Move this here. And then, yeah, I can just get rid of this right away. Cool. Oh my god, there's a problem with this mask. The last frame, or yeah, the last one is not completely out of bounds. Is it doing something weird? Why? Okay, these ones should not exist, right? Yeah, perfect. I don't know why I have these two keyframes in. Oh, it is because of... Yeah, I know why. It was because of the one on the left. But this is so annoying. Because here, this shouldn't be allowed. Yeah, once it goes out of frame, this one should not return, like, at all. Okay, cool. Okay. I think for the most part we're done. This is the one on the right. And I will need one more on the top because, oh no, I may just go to the main building and select this. I mean, this is just like a, yeah, that works. Cool, perfect. Almost. Come on. What's going on here? Just a little bit. Yeah, better. Okay, better. I have doubts about what should we put on the floor. This mat is no good. It is just a little bit. I mean, come on, I can do it. I can do it. I will just use this, okay? I will try to do something. Hopefully it will not destroy the whole universe. What's with the music? Cool. As this is just like a little bit, this is my main roto. Actually, the only one that I will ever need, to be honest. I will try to do a pen mask. Try to... Yeah, I will just keep... This looks awful. I have so many questions about this. What's going on? Okay, this is not fitting well. The thing is that I have this horrendous mask. Oh, okay, I will try something. Main building, adjust it, like just try to adjust this. Okay, better, already way better, I think. Oh, please work, don't get mad at me. Yeah, I think this works. Yeah, that works. Main, right, get over it. My Bezier is here, so I will just try to do this. Yeah. And is it tracked? Oh my god, I think it is. Like, barely. But you know what? I will just need to adjust a couple of frames, I think. Like this. Yes. And maybe even this one. All the way down here. Yes. Here. Where's my border? I think it's all the way down here, right? Okay, cool. I think that wouldn't it be easier to just track the inside? I do not think that that was trackable. I do not think that. I mean, it may be, I don't know. I will try to duplicate this, can I? And in here, I'm going to delete all of these layers. And let's see if I can just pipe this into this output. I have so many questions. Like, what's happening? Okay, so I really hope this works. My understanding is that I can save, select my roto, export, first selecting all my shapes, maybe. Yes, fusion shapes. Export this into documents 2024, YouTube, live. Fusion thingies. Shapes, building, matte. Yeah, cool. I can just close this, get back into DaVinci. Oh my god, I was working inside Fusion. I didn't realize about that. I mean, yeah, that's cool. You know what? This works. I mean, I will not use this silhouette node because this will be like a huge mess. But if okay, let's go in here, select an Osio color space, edit. Let's go from linear to sRGB. Cool. Okay, so I will not use the silhouette node. what I'm going to do is get back into my 19 folder, Fusion thingies, and import the settings. And right now, as you can see, I can use it as a mask. So the matte is applied. Okay, I need to try something. What if I merge? This is my mask, but this merge is apply mode, screen dissolve. How can I apply a mask? Oh, I know. I think it's the matte control, right? Is it? No, not the solid matte. Maybe the garbage matte? Okay, kinda. Effect mask? No. Foreground maybe? No. I think it's the solid matte. Oh. Oh, cool. Yeah, I inverted the matte. Yeah, I mean, it took way too long. This is just like a rectangle. How could this take that long? Yeah, the thing is that I cannot track inside because inside it's like too many things. If there was like a green screen, that would have been better. And the thing is that I would like to put, oh my god, the affinity photo just crashed, I think. Let me see. Let's close this. Cancel. Let's just minimize. Okay. Here is affinity photo, and yeah, it crashed. Maybe I should just get one of these. Let's go to affinity and end task. Cool. And open it all over again. I think we saved. I really think, I really hope. I saved this. Yes, restore maybe? Oh, this is not the one I wanted to be restored. Let's close this. No. And let's open recent matte painting. Yes. Cool. So, the thing is that I want to put this inside here. We may also have another issue, and that is that we end with this. There should be like a whole new world inside. But you know what? That will be a problem for Daniel from tomorrow. Because for today, I think this is enough. So thank you very much for being here and us to support as hard as we did. I will have to leave it right here. I mean, the matte looks great. I mean, I like it. So that's the only thing that matters for me now. This works and I am proud of it. So I'll see you next Thursday. Hopefully this project will be already done by then, because I will continue with this tomorrow. Yeah, I will need to finish the matte painting, which I think is doing good. I think this is a good matte painting. I will just need to 3D track this. Maybe I will use Synthesize for that kind of thing. It is a challenging tracking, I think, but I don't know. Yeah, I'll see you next Thursday. If you want to watch the streaming in Spanish, you can do so tomorrow in the other channel, Daniel en Fotos. And thank you very much. Have a great Tuesday.